Hi everyone, my name is Baby Chris, and in this video tutorial I will be showing you how to use Adobe Premiere Pro. So starting with Adobe Premiere Pro, it's by default this program has already been set up, so that's it's ready for use. You'll notice on this left bottom frame I have some files already been uploaded to the program, and it's important to keep it into a sort of well sequence. Yeah, and also by default when you keep working with Adobe Premiere Pro, with the new version, it's like time until the time frame, it keeps recording, it keeps saving whatever you have been uploading on this application. So as you can see, it's like if I hover my mouse, everything it's like in order. So that's easy for you, even though like if you have to edit it, it's easy for you to relocate what's going on. So to show you how to upload anything in here, which I've already did, I just need to so if you double click on this, like where my mouse is, you just double click here, so it will take you to the file location where you want the file to be uploaded, so that you can have it edited. Like suppose from here I'll just take I'll select one. As you can see, it will open in the top, so it will just bring in the top of my list, and then from here if I simply click on this one on the file, so as you all can see on the left top window in here where my mouse is hovering, as you can see, you're able to play the the file clip which I just imported from the file location, I would say. And then from here, so whatever you want to add in your video, you can select it by this marking. So it's like if you wanted to take this as instance, this is start, and you want to keep going until you find like the end of the video, not the end of this clip, but the end of the video, your specified video you want to bring it in. You just press, if you want to just press pause, and you press this one, you press this mark out button, which is pretty straightforward. So what Adobe Premiere Pro does, you can like this one, it's only the video clip, there's no sound. If you like, I've already got mine set up, if you can see on this right bottom window. I've already got mine already been set up here, but I'll show you how to do it from the start. So what I did, so I just I bring the portion of the video which I want. So you just click on this drag video only button, you just take it and break it down here, where is the start of another, well, it's already been, there's already another portion which existed on this part of the video, but I will show you, because this is like a guide where you can start and finish the desired part of the video. And from here you can, if you want to bring some sort of music, which you can import it, but in my case I've already imported one of the sort of music. So what you can do, these ones are like audio, but before, it's better if you want to add voice recording and music, it's better you add your music first, and then you add your voice recording file. Let me show you why. Like in here, I have music already uploaded in this tab. Yeah, so as you can see, I've already selected a portion of the music, but since this video is quite short, it's like nearly 15 seconds. I try to shorten it down a little bit lower, which is here, and what I do, it's like I just click on the override button, which will bring, again, as you can see, it's a bit sort of long, but that's fine. As you can see, you can just you can also try to make the music align with the video. So what you do from here, you just click and drag it until you find where is your video stopping, and by default it sort of align it with that. Like I was telling you, if you want to add a voiceover, it's better you put your music first and then you put your voiceover. So from here you can just simply click on that music part and bring it down to audio 2. If you see, it's aligned, and then I'll try to bring my locator, which is again here. So as you can see, if you play it, it will have the music and the video. So I want more than that. I want to add some voiceover. So what I do, I've already got some voiceover recording, which is here, 40 seconds, which is good. So when I click on the voiceover, it's like 30 seconds. I can make it smaller just to fit that one. Oops. So what I'll do, I'll drag the marker down, try to make it around 15 seconds or maybe less. Okay, well, it was 15 seconds. In case you missed your time slot, you can always use the Command Z to bring whatever changes, like this one did. So what I'll do from here, I'll override it. I'll click override. You'll see it come on top of the music from here. And then if you want to add text, again, it's possible. You just need to use a type tool, and from the type tool you can just type anything you want, and then as you can see, so the text will only take place only for that part of the video. But if you want, you can align it to the whole set of whenever the video is playing, so that you can still have that text back, and also you can also edit the text. So from here, what you need to do, it's you go to effects. So when you go to effects, you'll see under the option text, you have multiple options. You can change your lettering style of the text. You can change the color of the text, which I have not selected on this one, which I'll do. So if you select it, you can just make it look different. You can play around with it. You can change the color. You can make it look nicer. You can do whatever you want. And you can also increase the text size. There's like various options to play around, especially with the text. And the next part, which I will show you, is, so whenever you're done with the editing, you just so that you're not lost, you just press the learning tab again to be back. And then if I want to add a different video, like if I want to keep it running, I've got the second one, which is here. And then maybe I'll choose a different one. Okay, something like this. And then from here, where you can see I already set up which portion I want from the video. So what I'll do, again, I just drag the video here. You'll see, and you don't want whenever this video is ending, you don't want it to be like straight up. If you see, you don't want it to be straight up. It's like you still need something to I would say dissolve, so that you want On the first clip, with the second clip, you want something to like dissolve and then which sort of make it look nicer. How to do that? You go to effects, and from effects you go to video transition, dissolve. This is one I use. It's pretty good. So what you do, you just click and drag it in here, and it will do the work. So if you want to give it a try, you just give it a go. You see, it sort of dissolved it until it gets on the second part of the clip. And then when you're happy, you just go back again to your learning tab, and suppose you're done, like you want to import, because since I've already done another part of this video, but I will show you how to export it into an MP4 so that it's ready for you to upload it on YouTube. Whenever you're done with this part, so you click anywhere which is already selected on this here, but in case if that window is selected, it won't allow you to export it. Make sure you click on this right button window, small portion of window, and then you press file. On file, you see that button export. You go to media, just take some time a little bit here. So what you need to do here, you need to select H.264, just taking some time. Okay, let's see, it's good. This is, you want an HD quality, which is to upload on YouTube, which is 1080 HP high resolution. So once you're putting all the, since it got some different parts of the video, it's taking time, and then you can assign, you can put like where you want to save it, like as in here, I can put it trial 1. Then you click OK. Since I already have one, it will ask me to skip it, but if you can put it a different one, or maybe try 1.2, it will go there. And then what you need to do, you just click export, and then it will export everything what you have on the selected file, what you have been assigning. Thank you for watching. Hope you like this video.